This is a Lockman megacross. This is not the black belt Lockman megacross. This is the purple belt Lockman megacross. Lady Locks had lent me the black belt one, and I opened that on video, and somebody had a purple belt one, so I wanted to see what the difference was, and I got that. So same concept. There's side pins over here that are, you pick with a regular pick, and then there's dimples over here. So I'm gonna start out with the multi-pick dimple, the Z-bar, and then Moki. Maybe we'll see. Okay. I hope this isn't blurring out too much. So I'm going to switch to the multi-pick dimple flag. Hopefully not slip off of these pins too much while I'm trying to do this. 2, 3, 4. Maybe, and 1, and it's open. Yeah, alright, so that's the best time I think I've gotten on that thing. I don't feel like that's really an adequate representation of how hard the lock was to open. But it's a good time. It's on video. I'm going to take it. That is the purple belt Lockman megacross.